arrived at our room in the Dolphin. Daphne is exploring under the bed.
Hi.
But we got 2 doubles. It's a beautiful room, nice pastel colors, big TV, nice modern desk. We haven't even looked at our view yet. Oh, look, Daphne, come here. That's the Swan over on the other side. We have a beautiful view of the boardwalk and the fountain and part of the lake. And then we'll go back and look. We have a little area here with coffee maker, ice bucket. I know, we're really close to Epcot and MGM. Daphne's beside herself. There's a great big, nice big closet. Nice bathroom. I like that it has the separate sink area. And then this part in here. So it's a really nice room. I had forgotten how pretty it was. Pretty colors. Nice towels.
And look.
I think we're supposed to have a refrigerator. Is it maybe
it's
under
down
here?
there, that one, that first one.
And a little mini fridge and several drawers. So we have lots of room.
Complimentary
Here's the
Dasani water.
Yep, and they give us
Oh,
water.
it has water.
A nice second mirror. Oh, and I love this.
Oh, good. For makeup.
Yeah, so
Mama.
somebody can do their makeup out here.
They're nice.
So Daphne, what do you think of this room? Do you give it a thumbs up?
I give it 100,000.
100,000 thumbs ups.
And
All
you
right.
can sit on the bed and do the TV.
Yeah, you can sit on the bed and do the remote control. This is just a quick view of the room.